The ISIX S can fix the original color function, but it cannot eliminate the non-original pop-up window reminder problem.
If you need to eliminate non-original reminders, you need to weld the touch icon of the original screen to the new screen to solve the pop-up reminder problem. If you are replacing the original screen, we need to use the Too Soon tool. Connect the original screen to the ISIX second programmer and click the red source key to read the data. After reading the original color information, connect the new LCD screen to the ISIX S programmer and click the right source key. If you are replacing a non-original screen, you need to use the Tools 3 app. The original color information of the original screen is also read first. After reading the original color information, connect the non-original screen to the ISIX second programmer, click the right source button, and install the screen to the phone for functional testing after the